Hi, Charles from Southern Indiana. Well, today is Tuesday. On Friday, I had Barry Clark and his son, their concrete business. They came in and dug out this apron. Yes, I finally gave in, decided it was just going to be too muddy here to leave a grass strip. So I had this dug out, and then they came yesterday on Monday. Beautiful day. Got it all poured and finished. And I've now got a blockade here because we're not going to be driving on this for a month. That's what they suggest for a heavier vehicle like the Transit. So this pretty much completes the project. I'm going to get my final inspection probably later this week. I'm going to add some decoration. I'm going to do some 4x4 barn quilts. I'm going to paint one on each side, two on the back, and up here on this 2x12, not the overhang, but the 2x12 beam, do some 1 foot square barn quilts, maybe 6 of them or so spread out. So let's take a look at some time lapses of the dirt digging, which I don't have much of that, and then them pouring the concrete if you're interested in seeing that. Thanks for watching. Well, my new concrete apron is all done. Barry Clark and his son did a great job getting this all poured for me. It's got this expansion joints in there, and it just looks great. Again, I really wanted to have grass on here, but I just don't think the True Grid pavers would have held up with that transit going over it. I think it would have ended up muddy. So it's a nice completion of the project. Last thing, as I mentioned before, are some barn quilt decorations, and that should do it. So I got grandkids happy that they can skate in and out too. I may have mentioned that earlier. So nice job. Now I've got it blockaded for a month. I'm not gonna be driving in there or anyone else for a month, just like I did with the pad. That's really the smart thing to do. So be fully functional back in a month. Thanks for watching.